Hello everybody. Today I'm going to do a short video that shows you how to extend the life and repair your iPhone's charging cable. This puppy right here is an easy fix. Just watch the video.
Here's our damaged cable that we're going to repair. I would make one suggestion. If you ever buy a new charging cable, it's good to just go ahead and do this modification before it gets to this point. Do it as soon as you buy it, then you don't have to worry about it. Okay, here are the 4 things that you need in order to make this repair. You need needle nose pliers, you need heat shrink tubing, pair of scissors, and a heat gun. That's everything that you need. Step 1, you need to cut your heat shrink tubing to size in order to make the repair. I know it can vary from person to person. I'll be making my cut right here. Step 2, after making your cut, you just want to slide the heat shrink tubing over the area that needs to be repaired. Boom, real easy. Just put it there just like that. Step 3, use your needle nose pliers to hold one end of the charging cable. That way, when you use the heat gun, you do not burn your hand. Okay, with our last step, we are going to take the heat gun, turn the heat gun on, and shrink the tubing so that it forms a new skin on the iPhone charging cable. And obviously, this works with any other kind of charging cable. Mine just happens to be an iPhone. You can see here the repair is all finished. It's complete. It took like a total of 30 seconds. If you just want to give it a minute or 2 to cool off, plug it in, test it out, you should be good to go. Thank you for watching the video. If you like it, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.